Hi there, students. Caliginous. Caliginous. A pretty formal literary word. An adjective. It means dark. It means misty. It means dim. So, the caliginous light at the end of the day meant it was difficult to see where we were going. It's something that's dark and gloomy. It's something that you can't see particularly well. There's a deficient amount of light. If you try to take photographs in a caliginous place, it's very difficult to get enough contrast. It's difficult to see. So obscure, murky, dusky, dim, caliginous, a murky, dark, shady place. I walked through the caliginous forest and became steadily more and more worried about the situation. After the fire, the whole area was caliginous. The sky had grown caliginous by the time I left work. It was getting dark. It was twilight. Smoke from the burning toast had left the kitchen caliginous. I looked across the water, and the other side of the harbour was only just visible in the caliginous light. There was no way to tell what type of creature might hide in this caliginous cave. The sun began to come up, and the caliginous atmosphere slowly dissipated. At the funeral, the pallbearers lowered the coffin into the caliginous hole. The sun was going down, and soft orange-pink rays of sunlight bathed the caliginous street. So caliginous, a clinking, clanking, caliginous collection of junk. That's a nice bit of alliteration. So dark and dim. I looked across the caliginous room, and I could only just see her in the darkness. So tenebrous, dusky, dark, murky, obscure, gloomy. Something that was shadowy. It's not completely dark, but it's not very easy to see. I'm sure the London, when there was the London fog or the London smog in the 19th century, I'm sure London was extremely caliginous. I think perhaps all of the buildings were caliginous with soot, and the caliginous air was very difficult to see through. So something that's caliginous, it's saying that it's dark, it's dim, it's dusky, you can't see very well. Caliginosity, caliginousness. I think this is a very old-fashioned or a literary word. Dark, obscure, murky, something like that. Let's see, this comes from French caligineux, misty or obscure, from Latin caliginosus, meaning misty, dark and obscure as well. Caliginous in Latin, fog, mist, vapour, darkness, gloom. So yes, we opened the door of the haunted house and walked into the caliginous interior, wondering what awaited us inside. So caliginous, formality. I think I'm going to give this a A 7.5. Use it in something literary, a literary description, something like that. Semi-formal writing, formal conversation, formal writing, or something literary. So, Caliginous. Bye for now.